Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Hubspot forms to classify your leads by persona. This is a super useful way to improve your marketing and make sure you're connecting with the right audience. Let's get started. First, go to HubSpot's homepage. If you're new to HubSpot, it's a complete platform with all kinds of tools to help your business grow. In this video, we're focusing on one feature that helps you organize and segment your leads efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, find the login button in the top right corner and click it. Enter your login details to access your account because all the insights we need are there. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. This is where you get an overview of all your activities and tools. From here, head to the reporting section. Reporting is important because it lets you analyze your data and get insights about your audience. Click on it, then select Reports. You'll see a list of available reports, each offering different types of information. Understanding these reports will help you classify your leads more accurately. To focus on what we need, click on Customize. This allows you to shape the report based on the data you want, whether it's about customer behavior, sales trends, or in our case, personas. In the customization screen, you'll find a search bar. Type in persona. Personas are a way to divide your audience into groups based on shared characteristics, which helps you understand who your ideal customers are. After typing it in, select the persona option. This will filter the data and show insights categorized by persona types. Essentially, you're telling HubSpot to organize the information according to your target audience's traits. And that's it. A simple, clear process to classify your leads by persona using HubSpot forms. Doing this the right way will make your marketing strategies much more precise, ensuring your messages reach the right people. Remember, knowing your audience is key to marketing success. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to grow your business using technology.